Hi, today I'm going to show you how to apply the vivid materials onto an assembly, and in this case it's going to be a brake light assembly. So let's go to add STLs as assembly, and here is the assembly that I wish to bring in, brake light from the automotive kit. I'm going to select all the bodies and separate elements that make up the assembly. I'm going to go open. And here we have my assembly imported into GrabCAD. Now, first thing to do is to orientate this part correctly. All these prismatic elements, we wish to have them facing upwards and printed glossy, and the rear section here, which is nice and smooth and will be very easy to post-process, will have facing downwards and being in contact with the support structure. So I can go to orientate, and I can quickly orientate the part on the tray. Then the next thing to do is to go to check my materials assignments. So first thing is, as I know that I've got some vivid materials, and I also have here a gasket which is supposed to be assigned from the Agilus 30 black. So let's go to change materials, and here are the materials that are loaded in the tray. And I have my Agilus 30 black loaded, my Vero cyan vivid loaded, and the other vivid Veros loaded as well. Now let's say I did not have one of these materials here, so I would simply select a material, remove that material, and then choose the material that I wanted back from this unloaded materials list. And this is the full list of materials that I could print with on the J750 printer. So I can add that material and click Save. So now let's start at the top. My first part here is the frame, and that is to be assigned MY, which stands for magenta yellow, and that's a digital material, and it's assignment 001. So this is a name that's been given in the CAD, but it relates to the digital materials list that we have here. So I go to my digital materials tab, go to the drop down, and from the drop down I can go now and choose my digital material DM Vero magenta vivid, Vero yellow vivid, and this here will now give me my material options. I can select the first one, which is 001, and that will automatically assign a red color to this main body. Next we've got a clear segment. I'm going to simply assign the Vero clear material. That will assign 100% Vero clear. Next is the Agilus 30. Again, we'll just click the Agilus 30 to assign that. There we go. As you can see, that's just that little lip. Moving on, we have the orange segment, which is again a magenta yellow digital material. So I can go back to my digital materials list, go to my DM Vero magenta vivid, Vero yellow vivid, and that was assignment of 005. And then I have an outer coating of Vero clear, and finally a yellow segment here, which is straight up vivid yellow. Now our vivids are transparent, and so when this part is printed, that will come out looking fantastic and transparent. So next thing to do is to hit print.